Division. Equal sharing. Ravi, Neetu, and Rani buy 6 ice creams from a shop. They distribute them equally. Ravi gets 2, Neetu gets 2, Rani gets 2. Thus, 6 ice creams are divided equally among 3 children. There are 12 eggs. They need to be placed in 3 trays equally. So tray 1 gets 4 eggs, tray 2 gets 4 eggs, and tray 3 gets 4 eggs. So how many eggs are there? 12. How many trays are there? 3. How many eggs in each tray? 4. Thus, we can see that 12 eggs are shared equally in 3 trays. We call it division. We write it as 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, or 12 divided by 3 and the quotient is 4. This is the sign which we use for division. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. This is read as 12 divided by 3 gives 4. Division as equal grouping. There are 14 laddus. Divide them equally among 7 people by forming groups. So every plate has got 2 laddus. So 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2, and each person gets 2 laddus. Division as repeated subtraction. 10 flowers are to be placed equally in 2 vases. First, 2 vases. I put 1 flower in each. So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. I put 1 flower in each again. Now 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. I put 1 flower in each again. Now 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. I put 1 flower again. Now 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. I put 1 flower in each again. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. I have no more flowers left. How many times did I put 10 flowers? I have to repeat the process 5 times. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Division on the number line by repeated subtraction. Divide 12 in groups of 3. Here is a number line from 0 to 14. Start from 12, jump 3 units to left till we reach 0. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So how many jumps we did? We did 4 jumps. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. How many times is 3 subtracted from 12? 4 times. Division and multiplication. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. It means 7 written 3 times. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 21. Multiplication is repeated addition. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. It means 21 minus 7 equal to 14. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. And 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So division is repeated subtraction. Thus, we can say multiplication fact 7 into 3 is equal to 21, or 3 times 7 is also 21. Division fact 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3, or 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Properties of division. For example, 5 flowers are to be given to one child, so he gets all of them. So we write 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. Any number divided by 1 gives the same number. Division of a number by itself. For example, 5 flowers are to be divided among 5 children. So each child gets 1 flower, or 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So any number divided by itself gives 1. Division of 0 by any number. For example, there are no flowers or 0 flowers. They are to be divided among 5 children, so they get nothing. So we write 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0. When 0 is divided by any number, the answer is always 0. Division by 0 is not possible. For example, 5 divided by 0 is not possible. Dividing a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Without remainder. For example, Sia has 20 laddus. She wants to put these laddus equally in 5 jars. How many laddus will be there in each jar? There are 4 laddus in each jar. So divide 20 by 5. Here in the example, 5 is the divisor, 4 is the quotient, 20 is the dividend, 0 is the remainder. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So 4 is the quotient, 5 is the divisor, 20 is the dividend. So there are 4 laddus in each jar with a remainder. For example, divide 14 stickers equally among 3 children. How many stickers are left? So to the first child you give 4, second child you give 4, third child you give 4 and 2 are left. So 14 divided by 3, 3 4s are 12 and we have the remainder 2 and the quotient is 4. Here the quotient is the number of stickers each gets. Remainder is the number of the stickers left. So 2 stickers are left. For example, divide 47 by 2. So we have 47 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So bring down the 7 and 2 3s are 6. 1 is the remainder. So here 2 into 2 tens is equal to 4 tens. Here 2 into 3 ones is equal to 6 ones. So we are left out with 1 as a remainder. Solving word problems. For example, 72 chocolates are packed into 8 boxes. How many chocolates are there in each box? Whenever you're solving word problems, read the question carefully. What is asked in the question? So you have to understand, then plan, and then do the problem. So I must find number of chocolates in each box. So I need to divide. So how do I solve the problem? There are 8 boxes here and 72 chocolates. So divide that by 8. It is 8 9s are 72. And I have 0 as the remainder. So every box has got 9 chocolates. So did you answer the question in the problem correctly? If 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9, then 8 multiplied by 9 should be equal to 72. So my answer is correct. For example, Reena sticks 9 pictures on every page. If she has 90 pictures, how many pages will she need? So 90 divided by 9. So coming to tens place, 9 ones are 9. I've got 0 as a remainder. So 0 brought down. Again 9 zeros are 0. So remainder is 0. So what is the quotient? 10. Reena will need 10 pages to paste 90 pictures. Check. How do you cross check? If 90 divided by 9 is equal to 10, then 9 multiplied by 10 should be equal to 90. So the answer is correct. Critical thinking. Fill in the missing numbers. So we have 9 and dash. We don't know the number here, but we have the remainder as 0 and the quotient as 45. So when we multiply the quotient with 2, we will get this missing number. So 4, 5 into 2 will give me 9, 0, right? So write 0 there. Wonderful. Let's try one more. Here we have a missing number dash followed by 2 and the quotient as 14. So when you multiply 3 with 14, we will get this missing number. So 1 4 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, carried 1, so 42. We will write 42. Critical thinking. Find the value 16 divided by 4 divided by 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. Again 4 divided by 4 is 1. Julie bought 14 ice creams for her and her 5 friends. They are 6 in number. 2 ice creams fell from her hands. So 14 minus 2 is 12. They distributed those 12 ice creams equally among their friends, that is total 6. So how many ice creams did each friend get? There are 12 ice creams, there are 6 people in all. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Third problem. Mary gave 15 toffees equally to her 3 cousins. So 15 divided by 3 is 5 chocolates. She found 9 toffees in another bag. She gave them also equally to her cousins. So 9 divided by 3 is again 3. So how many toffees did each cousin get? Each cousin got 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8 toffees. Maths lab activity objective. To learn the concept of division of one number by another number. Say 15 divided by 4. Materials required. Some buttons, a white sheet of paper, few bangles or rings. Procedure. Place 15 buttons on the white sheet of paper. Make groups of 4 for all the buttons. 3 buttons are left ungrouped. Place one bangle or ring around each group of 4 buttons. Leave the ungrouped buttons aside. Now count the number of bangles or rings. They are 3 in number. Conclusion. Quotient is equal to number of rings or bangles, which is equal to 3. Remainder, number of buttons left aside, is equal to 3. Values and life skills. Mary bought 18 candies. She gave equal number of candies to each of her 6 friends. How many candies did each friend get? 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. How nice! Mary shared all the candies equally.